Hello students, today we are going to start practice set 4.2 of 10th standard maths part 2nd geometry in that 4th chapter geometry construction. Okay, first one is construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2 cm at any point M on it. Okay, so we have to construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2. Radius is given 3.2 cm. First of all, we'll understand what is tangent. See, here is a circle, here is a circle, and here is one line. Okay, this is one line and circle. This line touches the circle at one common point, and this line is called tangent, and this point is called point of contact. No, so this is called tangent. Okay, so we have to construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2. So for that we will draw a rough figure. Her diagram, we will get an idea, no, how our diagram is be. Okay, so see, here is the, and center is given, here it is, center is given P. Okay, and with radius, see, this is radius 3.2 centimeter. We have to construct a tangent, so this is radius, so we have to extend this radius little till here. Okay, this is a ray now, and we have to construct a tangent. See, like this, at this point, see, P is given with center P, and point, see, this is M, this is M. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 and take one point M on the circle. Okay, and through M one line, this is tangent. So our diagram will be like this. Okay, see, first we'll construct a tangent, first we'll draw a circle. Okay, so for that we draw a segment 3.2. Okay, so radius is 3.2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, this is, see, this rough diagram, this is P, and now we have to take this distance 3.2, draw one circle. Okay, this is, see, 3.2, here is 2, this little, see, 3, 1, 2. See, this is 3.2. Okay, it is little, see, this is now 3.2. Okay, so this is 3.2 centimeter. This is given radius. Keep a compass on point P and draw one circle. Okay, now we have to take any point M on the circle. So this point, see, this is a point M. Okay, M. This is M. Now see, at this point we have to draw tangent. For that we have to, see, again I have to rub it out. Extend this radius. Okay, this is a ray. Okay, now you have, see, this is M. Okay, so we have to keep rounder, this compass on this point M. Okay, and draw arc. It should be on this line only. Okay, so draw one arc. See, here one cut, and here one cut. Okay, now this is the distance from here to here. This is the distance. You have to keep here rounder you have to keep at this point. See, this is now half. You have to take 3/4 of it, not half, not less than half. You have to take 3/4 of it. Okay, this is half now, little. Okay, 3/4 of it. Then draw one arc here and one arc here, this side. Okay. Now keep the rounder at this point, another cut, and here one. Now this is your tangent. Join point M, this point, this intersected arcs, and this intersected arc. This point and this point and this point. You have to join now. See, this is your tangent. Okay. See, this is little untidy. Okay, it's okay. See, this is your tangent now. See, this is a ray. Okay, and this is radius now from center of the circle to point M. This is a radius, and this radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, this is a 90 degree. No, we know all that. Okay, so only this much you have to construct. No calculation, nothing. Okay, write L. Okay. Now second one is draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. See, it is same like the first one. Okay. See, draw a circle. You have to draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Name is not given. We have to give our own name. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. Same process. We have to draw a circle 2.7. See, like this. You can keep 2.7. See, this is 5, 6 and 7. This is 7. 2.7. Okay. 5, 6, 7. This is 2.7. Same like first one. Draw one circle of radius 2.7. Okay, and this is the center. This is the center, and this is the radius. Center we can give O, and here again we can give name P. Let it be like here. This P will be like here. Okay, P. Now we have to extend this radius. No. Now same. We have to keep the rounder on this point P, and at any measurement to arc we have to draw on this line. Okay. Now this is the distance again. This is the distance. Now keep a rounder at this point, first arc. See, this is half, no? You have to take 3/4 of it. 3/4. Draw one arc up, and here one. Okay. Now with the same measurement you have to see like this intersecting arc. This is the intersecting arc. Okay, and see this point, this is the P, point P, and this intersected point and this intersected point we have to join. Okay, this be line L, ray. So this is our tangent. Okay, and we know the from the center to the point of contact is a radius. This is radius is perpendicular to the tangent, and this is 90 degree. Now third one is draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. Okay, same like one and first and second question are same like, but here is a condition without using the center. Here we cannot use the center. While using the center, how we used to circle? When using the center is the radius, we have to extend, no? And then we used to draw a tangent. But here in this, how to draw? See, this draw rough diagram, we'll see how it will be. Okay, so draw a circle. Here is a one circle of 3.6 centimeter, 3.6 centimeter radius. Let this be O. Okay, now not necessary to this draw radius in this. So you have to take with the help of compass. You have to draw one circle 3.6 centimeter of radius. Okay, now we have to draw. We have to select one point. We have to take one point on the circumference of a circle. Let here be P. Okay, now from this point we have to draw a tangent. We have to draw tangent. How to draw tangent? For that you have to draw one chord like this. See, this is a chord. Okay, let be A and P. Okay, A and P. Then we have to see this chord. This is a secant, no? This chord divides circle into, see, one larger arc and smaller arc. This is major arc and minor arc, no? So from the major arc you have to take one point. Let be B, this point. Okay, so join BA and BP. So this is angle formed. Okay, now with the help of compass you have to keep here compass and take a small arc. With the same measurement you have to draw here one arc at point P like this. Then like this type. Okay, then you have to take this measurement, let this first arc, no, this arc, let it intersect chord AP at point R. See, this is this point R. So this, with this measurement you have to keep a compass here and give one this thing like this of arc, no? Then you have to cut, you know, small arc you have to draw on it. This will be the point. Okay, this point and this point you have to join, then you will get a tangent. Okay, this is the way you have to draw. In this, your rough figure will be like this. Okay, see, this is rough figure. See, this is center, and here we have to take one point P. Okay, this from here you have to draw a tangent like this. Okay, this type of tangent will come. For that, first we'll draw a circle 3.6. This is rough, and now we are going to draw. Okay, 3.6, 5, and this is 6, and this is, wait, this is, see, 3.6. Okay, draw one circle like this, 3.6 radius. Okay, this is a circle of radius 3.6. This is a center O. We cannot use, without using the center we have to draw tangent. So choose one point on a circumference of a circle. Let this be this point. Okay, this be P. Okay, so see, at this point we have to, one common point, at this point we have to draw tangent here. For that we have to draw one chord. Okay, this is a chord here. Okay, this be point be A. See, this chord divides circle in two parts, no, major arc and minor arc. At the in major arc we have to take one point here, B. Let it be B. Okay, so join BP see, gone wrong. little okay. And join BP and BA. You have to draw one triangle. First, draw circle. Take one point P. Any name is given here? No name. Okay, P. Draw one chord. Let it be A. AP is a chord here. Okay, then one triangle you have to draw. Angle B you have to draw. Angle B. A, B, P. Now, with the help of compass, draw one arc at any measurement. Okay. Same you have to keep at point P. Draw one arc. Okay, and let it intersect at point R. See, this is a point. This arc intersects at point AP. Let this be R. Okay, now take this measurement. See, this measure first arc, no, that at point B. Here, if you want, you can draw one arc. Little adjustment we have to do. See, this is accurate. Okay, now keep your compass on point R, and here one arc you have to draw. See, this is. Now see this point, and this point you have to join. This is a tangent. Is this accurate? See, this point and this point just touching the circle at one common point. No? So this is a tangent. Okay. See, this tangent and this is chord is a secant, no? This is secant and this is tangent. See, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. This is the way we have to. This is fair figure, this is rough figure, this is fair figure, or otherwise you can write answer. Okay. Now fourth one is draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter. Draw tangents to the circle. Two tangents to the circle at points P and Q. Write your observations about the tangents. See, draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6. See, here radius is 3.3 centimeter and chord's length is 6.6 centimeter. It means it's double. Means, see here. See, here it is radius. Radius is 3.3 centimeter. No, 3.3 centimeter. Therefore, chord PQ is double. That is 6.6 centimeter. Therefore, diameter is radius into twice the radius. No, diameter is twice the radius. That is 3.3 into 2. That is 6.6 centimeter. Means this chord is passing through the center of the circle. When chord passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. So therefore diameter is 6.6 centimeter. Okay, our rough diagram will be like this. Draw one circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. See, like this type of diagram. Okay, and radius is this here is 3.3 centimeter. And draw a chord is 6.6 centimeter, means it passes through, chord is passing through the center of the circle. No, that is diameter here. Okay, then the center will be, center is not given here. Okay, draw a chord PQ. This is chord PQ. Okay, draw tangents to a circle at points P and Q. So here one tangent comes, here one tangent, and here one tangent. Our figure will be like this. Okay, same. The first question and second question, how we constructed the circle with and tangent, we construct a tangent, same like that. Okay, for that, this is a rough diagram. So we have to draw a circle of radius 3.3. Okay, 3.3, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here. Okay, draw one circle. Okay, let this be O. Now see, this is 3.3 centimeter. And it passes, and its chord's length is 6.6 centimeter, double of its radius. So it's the diameter. This is P and Q. Okay, so we have to construct. No, I'll write little. See here, I'll write here. This is Q and this is P. We have to extend. No, see, for this we have to extend. Okay, now first we'll draw tangent at point Q. Okay, for this what we have to do, we have to keep our compass, this rounder, on point Q and take any length. It should be on the line, not outside the line. See, this is our line. Okay, can we make, see, this is our line. In ruled paper sometimes little confusing. Okay, so keep your rounder here, point Q, 2 points. No, this is a chord, end points of a chord. This is the diameter, end point of diameter. So keep your rounder on point Q, draw one arc here. Similarly here also. Now this is the distance from this arc to this arc is a distance. Keep a rounder compass on this. See, this is half. No, you have to take 3/4 of it. 3/4. Draw one arc here and here one arc, and keep the round same measurement, same. Don't change the. You cannot change it. Okay, same measurement. Here one arc. Join. This is the intersected point. Here one point. Here one point, and here. This is the point on a circumference of a circle. Join these 3 points. Okay, this point Q and this intersected points. This is our tangent at point Q. Okay, now similarly, in the same way, at this side also we have to do the same thing. Here we have to now keep your rounder at point P. Here we on Q. Now here we have to keep our rounder, needle of our rounder on point P, and this is the center of a circle. At any length, draw 2 arc on both the sides. See this. Now this is the distance. Keep your rounder at this intersected arc. Okay, this is half. No, this is half, not half. 3/4 of it you have to take. Okay, so draw one arc here and one here, and from this point give another arc. So it is not intersecting here, so don't change the measurement. Now this point, intersected point, and this intersected point, and this point P we have to join. Okay, see, this is your tangent at point P. Okay, now this will write, this is distance, no, 6 centimeter, 6.6 centimeter. You have to write here from P to Q is a 6.6 centimeter, and this you can name M and N, two lines. These two lines are tangent at point P and Q. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, and here is the second question is also just write your observations about the tangents. See, this one observation is tangent is perpendicular to the radius. See, this is here, where is it, radius? See, this is the line. See, this is the line. Yeah. Okay, see, this is 90 degree. This is here also 90 degree. Okay, tangent is this radius is perpendicular to tangent. Another observation what we can say, you can say that tangents at P and Q are both are parallel. No, these tangents drawn at point P and Q are parallel to each other. That we can say. Write the observation right here. Observations. Tangents drawn at points P and Q are parallel. Okay. So students, in this practice set 4.2 I have solved 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this four questions, comment section is there. No, so you ask, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, so okay then, bye.